I want to do a little video of the Kershaw 1660 Ken Onion Leek folding knife. The Kershaw 1660 Ken Onion Leek folding knife. This is probably my favorite pocket knife. It's made out of stainless steel. I've had this for about 3 years or so. They'll last you a lifetime. I'll put a Amazon link down in the description. They run for around $40 on Amazon. But they are excellent little pocket knives. Made out of stainless steel. It has the little speed safe opening, a little notch back here. Just press down on it and the blade pops right up. It has a razor blade on it, very, very sharp. Like I said, it's made out of stainless steel. The handle is made out of 410 stainless steel. The belt clip is reversible. You could have it on this end or on this end. You could reverse it. The blade is 3 inches. It's a 3-inch blade. The handle is 4 inches. It's 4 inches when closed. 4 inches when closed. The blade is 3 inches, so it's 7 inches overall. With it open, it's 7 inches. Like I said, excellent little pocket knife. It'll last you a lifetime. Made out of stainless steel. Probably my favorite pocket knife. Like I said, I've had it for about 3 years. I use it, carry it with me often. Not a single scratch on it. Stainless steel. It weighs 3 ounces, so it's very light. Not too big, not too small. Just about right. The Kershaw 1660 Ken Onion Leek folding knife. Speed safe assisted opening. Like I said, I'll put an Amazon link down in the description. You can check it out on Amazon if you want. They run for around $40 on Amazon. Thanks for watching.